guys, this is your boy Noel. Came here to Dhaka Parliament, fish with my family. It's my brother-in-law, my younger brothers were over there, and we'll show you like how we're fishing over here. Thank you. Here you can see like they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines over here. One on that side, like Western style. This guy is a pro. He just caught a fish.
Okay, muy así.
Here you can see we already caught some fish. Those are mostly they have one pulley, couple of
Wait on it.
yeah, you don't have to. No, see the fishes, the tilapia.